Irene Clark, and I am Democrat nominee for Commonwealth Court, and I will bring to that court 10 years of judicial experience with Pittsburgh's Municipal Court and 15 years of public interest legal services, making a difference in the quality of life in our neighborhoods across this Commonwealth in urban and rural areas. And I bring my track record, my career record, as the Pennsylvania Bar Association said, demonstrates commitment to justice and strong work ethic. Yeah, you can really look to my record in Pittsburgh's Municipal Court for how I would continue to improve and restore integrity and confidence in our judiciary. I was known as the fair judge amongst the public defenders, and I was designated as Pittsburgh's housing court judge. And when I went in 1993, I saw stacks of files piled from floor to ceiling up against the wall and asked the clerks what were they, and I was told those were the arrest warrants that hadn't been executed since 1989 for 4 years. So I the administrative roles of that court to assure that the court's orders were absolutely put into a system of check and balance to make sure that after appeals ran, people were given a due process right to come in for a fine and cost hearing and ultimately be held accountable. Thank you, absolutely. Judges are ambassadors of the judicial system, and that's at every level of the system, and I have been an ambassador and made sure that I was able to see the connections between different systems. For instance, in the Pittsburgh Municipal Court, I made sure that there was linkages to mediation as a diversion. Yes, indeed, there are, as a Commonwealth Court judge, there's all kinds of opportunity for that most unique court in our entire nation handling our public law. It is indeed a unique court that in some ways can be seen as the most important court in the nation for working families. It's a court that will absolutely be challenged with new precedent that is coming down from our Supreme Court and has tremendous pressures right now on looking into some of our new interpretations of our Constitution in Pennsylvania. Thank you, Philadelphia Bar Association and Pennsylvanians for Modern Courts, for this opportunity to introduce all the candidates to the voters. And I do very much appreciate the voters' consideration of my candidacy for Commonwealth Court. I do bring nearly 30 years of legal career that's been marked by 10 years of judicial service as a fair and efficient judge, and 15 years of working to make a difference as a public interest attorney in our neighborhoods. So I thank you very much for your consideration. I do look forward to seeing you at the polls on November 7th.